I think the industry does a huge disservice to our youth because there's no stop signs. There's nobody that says there's nobody that says to a Miley or to a Rihanna that this might not be the best path for your career. In fact, they reward it. So if you're getting rewarded for the bad behavior, how can someone else come along and tell you that that's not going to work? Like right now, I don't think Miley believes that she did anything wrong, that she's doing anything wrong. This is her, in the team that's surrounding her. But it's not just the team. It's you got to look at the whole thing. You've got to look at the media, the channels and the organizations that support this kind of behavior. You have to look at the record company. Sometimes we only blame the artists, and sometimes the artists are going and they're growing, and they may come out of this and say, you know what, when I was 22, I was so on the wrong path, and I'm so mad that no one corrected me. Or they might just spiral out of control. But they do have an influence on other people's kids, and that's the issue that I have with people who have platforms who are not responsible. And I'm not saying that, I think you grow into your responsibility, but I think that there needs to be more from people who are the gatekeepers for this kind of thing.
Right.
I think that that's where some of the blame needs to be.
Right.
They're
in a bubble. The kids are in a bubble.
And how does this, this last performance of Miley, for example, on national TV, how did that go down?
Right.
How did that happen? And then I'm in DC, so I don't know how much I can say, but there's supposed to be people that regulate stuff like this for us.